Okay, so we're at HEB, and it's Armageddon here, apparently, because there's birds everywhere, and there was quite a bit of drama getting into the car. Right, Kennedy?
Yeah.
What happened?
I was scared. That's why the birds are on the roof.
Are the birds on the roof?
Yeah, I see one right there.
You see one?
Yeah.
Let's see how many land. Do you want to see how many land on the roof?
Yeah.
Bubba, did you like the birds?
Oh my gosh, they just land.
Did you like the birds? Were they scary?
Yeah.
You don't like the birds landing on the roof?
Yeah.
Is it scary?
But I like it.
Is it scary that the birds are landing on the roof?
No.
How many birds are up there? There's only a couple.
They won't eat you. You're in the car.
They're looking at you though.
Hi, birdies.
Are you scared, Bubba?
Yeah.
Why are you scared? They're just birdies. Sissy, are you scared?
No.
Because you're brave?
Yeah, because they're pictures.
They're
walking. They walk. They're walking pictures.
Yeah, there are so many birds here. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm moving.
Oh my goodness. It's like an ocean of birds, and they're all over the cars.
I feel like I'm moving.
Oh my goodness. It's Armageddon.
Dad, do you feel like you're moving? No, I did.
All done? You don't want the birdies on you? Look at them. They're landing on the roof, Bubba.
Dad, do you feel like you're moving? If you look at the roof, you feel like you're moving.
It's kind of cool though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of cool we're moving a little bit.
You think it's like we're moving because the birds keep flying?
Yeah, that makes me dizzy, and that makes me think I'm flying in the sky and moving. But if you look that way,
But Dad's going to have to wash his car. Why is he going to have to wash his car?
because there's bird poop.
Because there's bird poop everywhere.
Where does the bird poop come?
From their booties.
Where's the booties?
On their booty, back here. Like, right there is their booty.
Disgusting.
It's disgusting.
Yeah.
Bubba, what do you think? Is it disgusting? You're not a fan, are you?
Oh, I see that big birdie. See that big birdie? Just trying to get at that.
There's so many birds.
Oh, look. It's a big birdie.
There's so many birds. We came at like the worst time possible.
Oh my God.
Okay, you ready to go home?
Yeah.
Ready to go home,
I see
Bubba?
big birds.
Oh, look at them.
The big
Wow, look at all those birds.
No,
No? Go? You want to go home?
Yeah.
Is it too scary?
Yeah.
Oh, you're brave though. You got this. You go. You're brave. Are the birdies scary? Yeah. Go. Do you want me to close the door? Close the window? Close the window? Okay.
No, I won't see birds. No.
Okay, I'm gonna close it, okay?
I'll drive with the open.
Drive with it open? Okay, I gotta put my phone down. Say goodbye.